Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and let's do an unboxing and a quick look at the TBT200 from Corsair here. This is their Thunderbolt 4 dock. It seems to be packaged pretty well so far. It includes in the package the Thunderbolt 4 dock, USB-C to HDMI cable, USB-C to display port, a Thunderbolt 4 cable power supply, and the quick start guide. It's both Mac and PC compatible. The Thunderbolt 4 also backwards compatible with it as well. So yeah, it's got all that stuff. And if you see there, um, let's see, can I get that a little bit better? So it has all that. Of course, the lights are shining on it. And then the box has in the back, you can see all the ports here. I'll go, if you want, pause it for a second if you want to see where they are on the package. Otherwise, you'll see them later. But it does have a Thunderbolt 4 port and 40 gigabits per second, a USB Type A 10 gigs, a USB-C port 10 gigs, 15 watts, and then power button as well as an SD card reader on the front. Then in the back it has your power in, your 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports at 40 gigabits per second, and then a 2.5 gig Ethernet port, which I thought was a nice touch on there. I won't be using 2.5 gig for this. It's going to be connected into a little gig hub, but my house is actually wired for 2.5, so if I wanted to switch that over, or if I want to do another run, or if I ever get my house in a situation where I have my own office, and that's a longer term project, that will all be 2.5 gig at least at that point in time, so that would be used. And then there's two USB ports Type A, 10 gigabits per second Type A, and then a Kensington lock. So that's a little rundown in here. I picked this up, right? I'm using it on my work laptop. I'm driving two 4K screens. I have a USB-C dock right now. It does not drive two 4K screens. That is for sure. But let's take a look at this. I did buy this, so this isn't something that work purchased for me. I figured I want to take a look at this. Granted, they have a TBT100 and there's other USB or Thunderbolt 3 docks out there that would support two 4K screens, but I was thinking, why not try to test it out? Looks like Corsair packaged it real well. Doesn't want to come out. We can see that here. Let's see. Oh, that's how they want it to come out. It's like a little handle here. So that comes out. Nice. Corsair. Yeah, just doing a quick look at this because I think it's an interesting device. I haven't seen too much about it. The device comes up and then you'll see the device right on top here. Let's take a quick look at this device. So this is where in front where the computer plugs into the dock right there. There we go. Then you have the second USB-C here. Type A, SATA, headphones, I forgot that too. One's going through the back. And then the power button here in front. And you can kind of see you can peel it. Let's just go all out. And then once you peel it, they also have, hey, it's still there. So so if you can hear that, it sounds like metal, not plastic on the top. Brushed aluminum. Good rubber feet on the bottom. You can see that there. So there's the rubber feet. You can kind of see that. Sides are all brushed as well. And then here's the rear of it. This is has all your other ports, your connections, your Thunderbolt 4, your networking, and everything else. So I'm actually really excited to get this all hooked up here in a little bit, and I'll do a review of this once I fully have tested this out. So that's the Thunderbolt 4 dock. Yeah, what else is in here? We got that looked at. All the cables, right? We got a manual. So we got a manual in here. I'm guessing. I shouldn't. Safety information. Okay, don't care. Yes, there is getting to know the dock. There you go. Get to know it. Understand it. It might have some questions for you later on. So once you open it up, this is all the cables inside of there. So my monitors are HDMI and Thunderbolt, so I'll be able to test both. This is empty now. Here we go. We have a cord, and this is the connector, power cord, and this is the connector into the power brick. So pretty standard there. Here is the USB-C to HDMI. And they got them, I mean, they got them in nice bags. I have to say they didn't skimp out on them. This is your display port, the power brick, which is a lot thinner than my current USB-C one, and then your Thunderbolt 4 cable as well. That's all that this is. Let me know if you have any questions about this dock, everything else. I'm going to use it for about a month, get a good understanding of what it's capable of and how I like it. Specs wise, it seems pretty comparable. I know that there was another like top line dock, was it Cal Digit or something, that makes it really looks like a really nice Thunderbolt 4 dock, but it was $400. This was $309, I think I got it for. It might have been a discount or something. The Thunderbolt 3, the TBT 100, was pretty close in price, not like 40 bucks, and I was figuring, well, I'll just do the Thunderbolt 4 then for this. So it's my own money, so I'm doing a review of it, and hopefully that eventually I'll do a review. Hopefully this is something that maybe if you guys are interested, have questions, I can help you out with it as well if you're interested in maybe making this purchase down the line and helping that decision for you as well with some information. So with that, I want to say thank you guys for supporting this channel and being here today and listening to this and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon too. I guess that's what people do here on YouTube. And until next time, I want to say thank you so much. Leave a comment below, and God bless.